Okay, guys, everyone, good evening. Am I audible? Hello? Hello, guys. Am I audible, everyone? Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so I'll take up the same exercise. So, guys, I'm using it copy data from Snowflake to Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Data Lake Gen 2. Okay. Staged copy. I'm using it as what? Staged copy. Copy data from Snowflake to that is Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage using the staged copy. Okay. So here I'm using the Snowflake, the same one, and the sync storage instead of the blob storage, I'll give it here as the ADLS Gen 2. And then here I'm mentioning the container. As usual, the container is the output. And file I wanted to save it as dim underscore employees. .csv. Okay. So anyways, next, what I'm doing it here, guys, everyone. Interim storage. Interim or intermediate. So generally, why we use the staging? Basically, the staging is used for whenever you have a, the very huge amount of data to be transferred. Then we use the staging always. Okay. Intermediate or staging storage. Guys, the interim and the staging storage, I'm using it as what? Azure Blob. Okay. So interim and the staging, I'm using it as what? Azure Blob storage. Okay. And in the Blob, I want a container to be given as temp. Temp is the container. That's it. Okay. So I'm using a note here. Everyone. Azure Blob storage is used as interim storage or temporary storage. That's it, guys. Okay. So make a note of this. Let's begin on this. So here I'm using what? The source is a Snowflake. Everyone, the source is a Snowflake, and the sink I'm using it as a ADLSGEN2 and output container as it is, as we have discussed it yesterday. And then I'm using it as interim storage. That is nothing but the Blob storage as the interim storage. Okay. So as it is, I'm starting up the practical here, everyone. I'm sharing the screen here. Yeah, guys.
Sir, I have one question.
Please, please.
Sir, when does this staging is required? Like, is it with the Gen 2? Or like when we copy from Snowflake to...
Basically, when we have tried using the direct copy from the Snowflake to the blob is not supporting them. So now I'm trying to transfer the same data to the ADLS Gen 2. But when you transfer the data from the Snowflake to the ADLS Gen 2, the direct transfer is not supported by the ADF. So for that, I'm using the staging here. Staging is temporary landing data landing zone where which retains the data only till the pipeline is executing, and once it is executed it will be empty again. Okay. Yeah.
like on Monday we tried na copy from Snowflake to Azure Blob.
Yeah.
So that happened successfully without any staging, right? We just changed the security mode. I don't remember exactly, but
Now
we
I'm using
did.
this ADLS Gen 2. Now I'm using the ADLS Gen 2 here.
Yeah. So this requires staging, sir. But why does this require staging? Like,
That
why
is
is it?
the, yeah, basically the state. See, every storage to storage, the difference you will have it. In the blob, you can make out the direct copy. But when it comes to the Gen 2, why it requires means basically that is the format of copying basically. This is the format of copying. And mostly the blob is a very basic storage where you can store up to 500 MB, that is 500 TB data, not more than that. But whereas the Gen 2 supports unlimited storage, as you know, it supports the unlimited storage. Unlimited storage. Unlimited means there is no limitation for the data. And when you have a very huge and bulky data to be transferred, always we require a type of what is that? A staging. Staging is what the temporary zone. Basically, see what happens is instead of suppose whenever you have suppose let's take an example here. Okay. So you have a 5 bags of rice to be carried to the first floor. What happens? So 5 bags at a stretch, you can't, anyone can't carry it. Am I right or not? So what happens? You take 1 bag of rice and put it on the stairs first. Then from there you pick up, yeah. Then you pick up it and store it into the that is it. Then you pick up and take it to the first floor. That means what? To reduce the effort, human effort, we use that. Am I right? Yeah, to reduce the human effort. In the same way here also, you have much data is there, the processing speed automatically decreases. The process, that is a pipeline processing will decrease here. To avoid that, we go for the staging process basically. Okay. Yeah, Ayush, is it clear for you? Or was that your question or something else?
Yeah, sir, I have the same question. So, sir, in a nutshell, like the main reason is like they don't want to copy all at a time. They want to do it in small chunks, right?
Yes, yes, small chunks. It divides, internally divides it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, anyway, so guys, here I'm using it. First of all, as it is, I'll create the resource group as a process, you know. So create it, select it here, and I'm using it here. Um, Snowflake to Gen 2 using staged copy. RG, this is the resource group I'm using it. And now guys, click on the review and create it. So this is ready. So click on this. Now the next one, guys. After this, I'm creating the everyone. I'm creating the ADLSGEN2, which is my sync system. So create the sync system here. So I'm using the sync gen2 copy. Sync gen2 copy is the name I'm using it. As this is the gen2, guys, we require to click on the advanced tab and enable the hierarchical namespace here. Click on the review. And then click on the create. Generally, you will have two methods. What is a direct method and the staged copy method here. Staged copy is always used for what? That is something but the huge data you have it. Whenever you have a massive amount of data, then you go for the staged copy always. Okay. And the third one, storage, I'm creating it as a blob storage here. As you know, which is required here for the temporary landing zone.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
for use data, you said talking about the stage area. So is that a stage for Snowflake stage means what
It will be
is
staged
provided?
for Azure. It will be staged for Azure.
Okay.
It will be staged for Azure because the data is coming inside the Azure now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Staged blob. I'm using staged blob here. Okay, guys. Staged blob. The name I'm using it as a staged blob. Click on the review. And create it. Now, meanwhile, the Gen 2 is ready. So I'm going to the Gen 2 here, which is my sync system. And I'll create the container here. As it is, go to the blob storage and click on the container here. So the container I'm using as the output. Click on the create. Now, anyways, this is ready now. Leave it as it is. And then staged copy. Blob storage, this is ready. And now here, I'm creating a container. And this container name is what? Temp container. The container name I'm using as what? Temp. Click on the create. That's it, guys. So this is ready now. So I'll do one thing now, everyone. First of all, I'll open the source, and my source is what? Snowflake now. Open this. Log into the Snowflake now. And this is the one which you wanted to use it. This is the data you have it. So guys, here you have it. The source is ready. And then you have the, this is the resource group and this is sync system. And this is the, that is nothing but the staging you have it. And I'm opening the data factory session here. Data factory, click on OK. Click on the create and select it here. Instance copy data from Snowflake to Gen2 using staged copy. That's it, guys. Click on the review. That's it. Click on the create now. So this is ready now. And launch the studio. That's it. This is the process is ready, guys. Okay. So see here, the source is ready, and the resource group is ready, sync is ready, staging is ready, and as well as the same, this one is ready, guys. Okay. So here you have what's it, everyone. Now the next one, just come here, everyone. Now here, this is the actually thing we have it. I'll just 1 minute. I'll write it down. This is the node of the Snowflake. Now, guys, here I'll write it once. Can you see here? I'm using the source. Source is a Snowflake. And staging. What is my staging, guys?
Blob.
Yeah, Azure Blob storage. And once you use the Azure Blob storage, everyone, the linked service, why creating the linked service here, you have to use what's it, guys? Linked, everyone, linked service should be used or should be used as what is that? SAS authentication, that is shared access signature authentication. Shared access signature as the authentication, guys. Okay. And finally, the sync, I'm using it here. Guys, everyone, the sync is the ADLSGEN2. That's it now. Okay. So everything is fine here. Come back. Yes, so first of all, go here to the data factory and create the linked service. So first link service, you have to create it as it is, guys, for the Snowflake. Snowflake selected as it is. ls underscore Snowflake underscore source. And now everything is fine here. Just you need to give the account name. So how to give the account name? You just do one thing. Copy this link always. And now paste it in this notepad. And here you have to select what is it, guys, everyone. Or else you have this one. No? This one, just copy this. The same account I'm using it. Okay, so it makes no issues. So I'm using it here. Come back and paste it here. And as it is the database it's asking for. So the database is the same database is information DB, guys. And warehouse is this one. And rest of the things username. So username, you will get it here now, guys, everyone. This is the username. You have the Cloud Innovatives as the username. Copy this and paste the username here. And now, guys, then next the password. Password is the password what we have used it previously, is the same thing. Test it now. Test it. Just a minute, it's taking time. No problem. So just wait here for process to complete. So what is the role? Role, this is optional anyways. Account admin is the optional one, you have it. You can use it or else you can skip as it is, okay? Account admin, test one more, once more. It is optional to use the role. You can use just optional it is, okay? Not a mandatory one. Just a minute, everyone. This is taking some time to process, but I hope the process is will complete. So why it is taking this much time? The net is slow or what? Generally, it should not take this much time. I'll refresh it once more. Hello?
How?
Yeah. Snowflake. I'm retyping it. ls_snowflake underscore source. So it should not take this much time, guys. So here I'm using it. Database. I'm just retyping it. Copy this. Warehouse. Paste the warehouse. That's it. And here you have what's it? And you have what's it? The name of this. So the username is what is it? You have it, the cloud innovatives. And the password. Okay, so test it now. So wait here, guys. Just wait, guys, everyone. So let it process first. So it's taking still time, guys. Let's wait here because we can't do anything right now except waiting process to complete. Might be the network issue or it may be from the Azure as well. So just wait here. So this has failed now. Let's check it. What is the issue? Operation timeout activity. So what is that? Test it now. Retest it once again. Might be the issue with the password. So generally it won't take this much time, but I don't know what is the problem. It's taking this much time. Okay. So the process will be faster here. Successful, guys. So click on the create. That's it. The link service is ready here, and create the second link service. And the second link service, I'm creating it for the staging. So staging is Blob now, everyone. Select the Blob. And now you have to use it here, guys, as it is. ls underscore Blob staging. That's it. ls underscore Blob underscore staging, guys. But the condition for the staging is what? You have to use the SAS. What is that, guys? You have to use what everyone? Shared access signature, URI. Okay. Shared access signature, you have to use it, guys. So click on this. Can you see it? Okay. So anyways, can you see it? So use this so that is nothing but a SAS URI, and it is asking for the URL, fast URL, and the token. So we have to go to this one, the left blade, guys. Can you see it? Click on this one. What is it? You have it. Shared access signature is there already. Click on this. Can you see it? If you're told you wanted to connect to the storage, guys, what you have to do, guys, everyone? So just to do one thing now, everyone. Okay. Okay. So do one thing now. Select the same. Allow services. Okay. So select what is it, guys, everyone? Allow resources type is what? You have to select these three options. What is it? Services. And next one is what's it? Container and as well as the object. These three you have to select it, guys. Okay, so select it as it is. And then come to the bottom. And now guys, can you see? And once you have done this, guys, so click on the generate SAS, that is a shared access signature and connection string. That means to connect it using the same one. That is called as what? Shared access signature. Connecting the blob storage using the shared access signature, guys. That's it now. Can you see here, everyone? And here, do one thing now. Prince here you have to select what's that? URL you have to copy till the .NET, guys. Copy till .NET here, everyone. Okay. Copy till .NET. Windows.NET slash. Copy this, guys. Up to the slash, guys. Copy the slash as well. Okay. Paste it here as it is. That's it, guys. Then SAS token. So when you talk about the SAS token, guys, come back again. And now can you see here? Can you see it? You have to select the SAS token is here. Huh? So copy the whole token. Whole token, copy it and paste it in this one. That's it, guys. So once it is done, guys, everyone, can you see it? So just test it now. Any other thing is left out? No, test it now. Test it, guys. Successful. Click on the create, guys. So second one is also successfully created. And the third link service, you have to create it for what? Gen2 storage. So I'm using the Gen2, guys. Select it and now use it here. ls underscore ADLS underscore Gen2. Guys, Gen2 underscore sync. Everyone. So now select it here as it is. Select the subscription, you have it. Select the sync Gen2 copy. Test it now. Test it, guys. And create it. That's it, nothing else. Oh, everyone. So the 3 link services are ready, guys. Everyone. The 3 linked services are ready. So go to this expand tab. Author. So use it here, guys. New pipeline. So I'm using copy PL underscore copy from Snowflake. That's it, guys. And now, guys, use the copy activity. And as we select the source and click on the new data set, guys. So the source is what? Snowflake. So use the Snowflake, everyone, as it is. And now, guys, do one thing now. Use the name of the data set, ds underscore Snowflake underscore employees. That's it. Okay. Source. If at all you want, you can use the source as well. Okay. So select the linked service, you have it as it is. Okay, guys. And table, you have to select it here. Which table? So whatever the table you have it, that you have to select it. What we have created, that is called as employees. Okay. So wait here for loading. This is loading. Okay, guys. The loading is taking some time. So leave it as it is. No problem. Just wait here for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. And once the loading is done, then you can go ahead with the process, as you already know. Okay. Select it now. Use the come to the bottom and select it here. This is the schema and this is the table which you want to copy. Click on OK. Fine, guys, everyone. Yeah, following or not? Everyone, please respond.
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, that's it now.
Yes.
That's it, guys. It's ready now. Okay. Hello. So this is ready. The source data set is ready, guys, everyone.
Okay, sir.
And that's it now. And once the source data set is ready, again, you have to create the everyone. So once the source data
Staging.
set is ready, guys, you have to select the sync. Select the sync one. Select there is no sync data set, so you have to create the sync one. So sync is Gen 2 now, everyone. Select the Gen 2 as it is, guys. Select the CSV file you wanted. And now provide the name here, guys, everyone. DS underscore ADLS underscore Gen 2 underscore sync. That's it, guys. So as it is, you're using it, okay? And that's it. Once it is done, guys. What you have to do? Select the linked service here. You have it. And now, guys, then afterwards, what is that you have to do? Browse. Select the output container. And now, as it is, click on OK. Okay, there is no data set now. Okay, click on the none. That's it. This is fine, guys. So this is ready, everyone. Hello.
Sir, when are we going to link the blob storage to
No,
this?
no, I'm coming to that. I'm coming to it. Okay. Now, once it is done, guys, everyone. Once it is done, guys, everyone. So once it is done, can you see here? Now, here you have. Can you see? Here you have a settings. Go to the settings, guys, everyone. Can you see here? Go to the settings, and you have added already the staging. So click on the staging here. I'm pulling it up. Staging is there now. What is the link service for the staging, guys? We have created the link service. ls underscore blob staging. Am I right? And what is the storage you have it? Browse it, everyone. Temp container. That's it. Now it's fine now. The staging is ready, guys, everyone. Hello? The
Yes.
staging is attached. So just go to the settings here. For enabling the staging, you have to go to the settings, guys. That's it. So the source is ready. And the sync is ready. And mapping, you want to check it. Just check the mapping, whether it is working fine or not as per the requirement. Because I wanted to go for simple copy, guys. Just wait for the mapping to fetch the data. As it is, okay. So as it is, guys, can you see? That's it. Everything is fine now. So now let's try to debug now. Debug it. See here, guys. And what happens? Let's say, wait here. Do one thing, just go to this staging here. I'm going back to the staging here. Just come back. Okay. So just use it here. So open this and see here, open this. Now can you see here? 60, this the file is staging, guys. That means still process is on. So see here, still the process is on now. Can you see here? The staging has the data now. And once it is done, the staging will vanish here. Okay. See here, guys. That's it, guys. Okay. See the staging still under the process. See, staging is on. Now done, guys. Succeeded. So once it is succeeded, so can you see here? It's empty. You go to the things now, refresh it. Open this. So it's giving his own naming convention. So you can just use the same one. So just open this file now. Is it the same one, guys? What we have copied, everyone? Just check and tell me. Yes, guys. Name, ID, job, and department. The same one, na? Huh? Go here. Check the Snowflake. Same, we have given the data. Am I right? Hello. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. So this is how we can use the staged copy, guys. So you can also do the reverse process, guys. The reverse process. What is the reverse process, guys? The reverse process is you can use, guys, ADLSGEN2 as a source, and sync you can use it as a Snowflake. So will you do this, guys? Everyone? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do one thing. Use ADLSGEN2 as a stage. That is nothing but use ADLSGEN2 as a source and transfer the data to the Snowflake. That is same staging process is same. That is the assignment for you guys today. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
You will do it from your end. If you get any error, I'll show you in the class again. No problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Process is same. You do it. Just reverse process. Okay. So if you could able to do that, then we can directly start tomorrow with the another integration part that is called as a GCP. We can use, or we can use the Amazon AWS also. You can use, guys. Okay. So everyone is clear. Hello.
Sir, folder access required, sir. Recording videos, sir.
Recording. It's there in YouTube now. You can just follow it now.
YouTube
Same
is
one.
okay, sir. That is okay. We are following, sir. But some they're only the different time available, sir. But not sequence order, sir.
I will arrange it. Okay. I'll arrange it, or else I'll give you the Google Drive access. No problem. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'll create a Google Drive because there is some problem with the LMS system. It's not yet. It's still they are developing it. Okay. So it's with the developer right now. I'll do one thing. I'll create this Google Drive and give you access. Okay. No problem.
Sir,
Yes, I have the mail IDs. All of your mail IDs are there. I'll give you the Google Drive access. That's better now. Okay.
Sir, Monday and Wednesday class is not uploaded yet.
I will upload it today. Okay. I'll upload it today. What was the topic on Monday and Wednesday?
Sir, it was related to Snowflake only.
Okay, I'll upload it.